So a lot of people ask me, they go, "Hey, hey, yeah, okay, yeah, okay, how how long can I go on for like that? Like as a comedy routine?" But they say, professor, right? How do we know where things are, right? It's one of these like fundamental questions that's like really important. But the question is, how do we know? And the truth is that we have this thing called GPS, right? A global positioning system. But we've been doing it even before that, and we have latitude and longitude, right? This is the foundation, right? This is that thing that's just kind of there, chilling in the background, but you haven't really, flip this a little bit. You don't really know how it works, why it works. It's just there doing the heavy lifting for you as you're going from one place to another. So, right, this is the equator. And this is the prime meridian. Prime meridian was because England was calling shots in this age. I wouldn't be surprised. Like maybe this is gonna be like a Chinese century, and like in 30 years, the map's gonna look different, and they're gonna redo the coordinates. Pretty crazy, right? But for now, it runs through Greenwich, England, where they decided all of this. And right here, we have this thing called the origin, 0, 0. And this is what's called Null Island. Ah, and look, I have a map right here. So where's Null Island? Null Island is somewhere right around here. Where the equator and the prime meridian meet is Null Island. And what we do, it's very like a simple like post-enlightenment Descartes math, is that we go from this origin, 0, 0, and we count from it. How many positions are you away from this origin? And so if we're in Philadelphia, we go from the origin here at Null Island, 0, 0, and we go up and over to get to Philadelphia. Okay? In this case, we're going to have this quadrant here is going to be a plus latitude and a negative longitude. Okay? And why is that? Why is that going on? I'll take this with me. Why is that going on? Okay? Because we're going up, right? So this is anything going this way is a plus, and anything going this way is a minus, right? This is also north, and this is south. Okay? And the way this works is east and west. And west is negative and east is plus. So you're going to be able to kind of take a look at that. So you're going to be able to kind of assess where some place is in the world based on its latitude and longitude and its position from this origin. This is the system that we're using here. Okay? So if you're in, this is North America, right? As I said, this area right over here. And if we're in South America, below the equator, we're going to have a minus latitude and a minus longitude as well. So this comes out as a plus minus. This comes out, because latitude goes first, a minus minus. Okay? If we're in Australia, right? So this is South America. And this is Australia. This is going to be a minus because it's down, and a plus because it's to the right. Okay, and finally, and that would be this area. We go from the origin, which is here, and we go right, which is plus, and south, down, which is negative. And finally, we have the plus plus. Okay, and this is north and east of the prime meridian. Okay, and this is Europe, most of Asia, Middle East. Okay. And then, like, you know, Africa is kind of split with that. But we're going to the east, which is plus, and then from this origin here, and then north, which is also plus. I got to be careful. I don't want to mark up my map. So we do this like with precise coordinates in the way that we discussed how your phone knows where you are. But this is the process that's going on. We have this latitude and longitude grid. So where does that come from, and how does it relate to the actual Earth? Next video.